This is my ultimate comfort food my mom makes me. It's a traditional curd meat rice pot. Now she's used this traditional metal pot to make this recipe for us today. Mom also cures her own duck and pork belly. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 cup of washed raw rice. Now that's always the ratio, 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. Stir the rice, cover and bring to a boil. Stir and turn the heat to low-medium and continue to cook the rice. Mom doesn't like the rice to get too oily, so she steams the cured meat separately before she adds it into the pot. That's a personal preference, so you're welcome to cook the meat inside the rice together. However, it will become really greasy, just a warning. She's adding the meat into the rice pot and then she's going to cover and continue to cook it so that all that fragrant taste from the pork belly, the duck, and the sausages will go right into the rice. If you look closely into the plate, you can see the oil that's left from the cured meat. Now cover and continue to cook on low-medium heat until the rice is ready. You don't want to burn the bottom of the pot, so make sure that you have your heat on low. Now I've also made this with the rice cooker, but trust me, it's not the same. The rice is so fluffy, moist, and delicious when you cook it like this traditionally. To serve this dish, you simply need to remove the meat and then slice up the meat and serve it on top of the rice. You're welcome to also make a sweet soy sauce to pour over the rice, which makes it extra delicious. To make the sweet soy sauce, all you need is soy sauce and sugar. That's it. Very simple, but something that adds extra flavor to your rice. Check out the cured duck and cured pork belly recipes in my playlist. They are super awesome. Honestly, Mom's recipes are the best. Now this is one of my favorite comfort foods. What about you? Do you have a favorite comfort food? Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment below if you want to see more of my mom's traditional cooking recipes.